Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Redmi off and removing the case and SIM tray. This prevents shorting. Once done, inspect the display under bright light to tell whether lines or scratches on glass or internal LCD faults, because the repair path differs. Next, put on an ESD strap and lay out precision screwdrivers, plastic picks, and a microfiber cloth. Make sure you have the exact replacement screen for your Redmi model before proceeding. You next diagnose by booting into recovery or safe mode. If lines remain, they are likely hardware. Once done, try a soft pressure test across the affected area. Apply brief, light pressure with a microfiber cloth to see if pixels respond, and run a pixel fixing app to cycle colors. Make sure to check the display connector and flex cable inside. A loose or corroded connector often causes lines. Reseat the cable carefully to restore contact. You finish by deciding whether to replace the screen or seek professional repair. If replacing, back up your data, then remove the back, disconnect battery, unscrew the midframe, and carefully swap the display assembly. Test the screen before fully sealing to confirm success. Once done, reassemble in reverse order and power up to verify. If lines persist after a correct replacement, make sure to know that the problem may be the motherboard or GPU. In that case, consult a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.